Oh, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully all of you are doing fine, and today I'm going to be creating this look right here. And if you want to keep on watching, well, stay tuned. So I already did my eyebrows and I already put primer. I'm using the matte base photo focus face primer, and I love this primer. I don't know why, it's just and it's not that expensive. You can get it at any pharmacy store around you. So I have purchased this yesterday and it looks so cute. Sultry, I don't know. Whoops, something fell off the brush. And I'm gonna just go for the boom, which is this color right here, and just place it onto my outer crease. Ooh, I like it. But I'm using this brownish color and Noir, the black. So here I'm going in with the black in my outer corner, blending it also with the brown color just to give it a little pop towards the outer shade. I think it looks alright. You know, one eye is always better than the other, but whew. Okay. So next, I'm going to get a flat brush using this shimmery glittery color and putting that right there. So for my opinion, the next time if I ever use this palette for like the glitters or the shimmers, however you want to call it, I'll probably go in with my finger just because I feel like it will grab more pigmentation and the look will come out a little bit more better, like pop out. And if you want to use the glitter glue and then put on the shimmer or the glitter, then go ahead. It will still come out better. I feel like using a brush is not that pigmented. I'm gonna get some concealer and sharpen my shadow like I always do. Getting a flat brush. And that's how you sharpen your shadow. Some people like to put tape, but if I already put the primer, or let's say some girls put the foundation, then go ahead. But for me, I feel like you're taking some off the product unless like you do your eyeshadow first and don't put no primer. But I like to put primer for my eyelids, so and after I do the line, I like to drag it down a little, so it's just easier to blend. Okay, and then you get a beauty blender and you blend it out. Whoops. Okay, then I think it looks alright. So next, what I do is put some foundation, or you could put eyeliner, but I don't want to put eyeliner. I don't know why. So the foundation that I'm using is from Wet n Wild. You can get this foundation at any drugstore. It's really affordable. I have been using it a lot now, and I'm also using like this essential oil, and I just put it just because I feel like it blends everything well and it slides smoothly. Um, this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I love it. I feel like everyone should get it. It's really affordable. You know, it's like about like $5 or $4 around there. Shouldn't be more than that. But yeah, you could get it at CVS, Walgreens, I believe Dwayne Reed, any drugstore, pharmacy. And I go by parts because I feel like my skin dries too quick. So it's better for me to go by parts. Like I start on like my lower face and then my forehead. So after I'm done with that, I'm contouring my face and I am using the palette from Ellen Tracy. You can get this at TJ Maxx because that's where I had purchased it. It's about $4, I think, or 3. I'm not sure. And I'm also going in with the Sephora 3L. I don't think they still have this in stock, but since I have it, that's what I was using. And I'm contouring my nose. I don't really go too hard on my nose, but you know, I feel like I still need a little bit more practice, but you know, it's alright. I'm just blending that out, making sure, you know, no harsh lines. And I like to use my finger at the very end, like just to smother everything out nicely. And here I'm going to be using the Anastasia highlight, and I use that type of brush, and then I use the highlight brush from Bretman Rock to just blend out everything. And that's the Bretman Rock fanning highlight brush. I don't know what you call it, but yeah. I'm gonna use the Matte Beauty. What if I mix two colors and use cream? I don't know if I want to wear these lashes or these lashes. I'll go with these. So this is the end of my video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for the other video.